Okay guys, welcome to Green Studio. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple thumbnail by using the CapCut Mobile app. Okay, so I open my CapCut right here, then click on new project. So I'm going to be recreating the thumbnail of this very video. So I have my element right here with me. So let me select this background. Okay, so later on in this video we are going to blur this background so that whatever text, everything we are going to put inside this element will be visible. All right, so first thing you need to do after importing the background, make sure you change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then mark, then pinch the screen, let the background fill the whole screen. Okay, all right, so next thing you need to do right now is to bring in your element. Click on overlay. So as you can see, I already have this very clip. I already removed the background by using another tool. So I'm going to select this right now, add. Okay, as you can see, it's very clear now. So you are going to zoom in, okay, and then let it take a position to the right and right here. Then next thing is to add another overlay. So I'm going to add this CapCut logo. Add. All right, so I'll shift it to the left hand side. Just make sure the frame are equal. All right, so I'm going to remove the background of this logo. So let me use the auto remover. It's a pro version, but we are not going to export this thumbnail as a video. So we are going to, I will show you what to do. So I'm putting the logo inside this screen right here. Okay, so it depends on how you want, where you want it to be. All right, so what I will do next is to add my text. Add text. So I'll just say CapCut. All right, so but I want the text to be black text so that it can be below the logo. So I'll click on style, then I will click on let me make it bold first. All right, then let's select this. Okay, all right, so CapCut. As I said earlier, it depends on how you want this to be. All right, so let me make it italic. Okay, click on, you mark it, and then what I want to do next is to add another text. All right, so I can duplicate this. All right, and then move it all the way here. So what I'm going to do is to edit this text. Okay, so okay, let me make it capital letter. How to edit thumbnail using the CapCut Mobile. All right, so just edit your text. Okay, I'm using my two hands to pinch the screen so that the text can be bold. All right, so what do I need to do next? I don't really like the way this text looks like. Let me make everything white. and then I'll make it to be bold also, and italic. Let it be bold also. So as you can see in the thumbnail, I actually edited the word thumbnail because I want people to be able to see that. Okay, so I've changed it to yellow. All right, and then this mobile, what I normally do also is to underline it. It's just to create a focus for the viewer. Okay, so this is exactly how you can make a simple thumbnail using the CapCut Mobile app. Alright, so what we need to do next is to, well, you just need to edit this to your preference. Okay, and if you know you can't be able to use this mobile app effectively, you can use the desktop, but I'm just showing you how you can quickly do a simple thumbnail by using the CapCut Mobile app. All right, so what we're going to do next is to export this. But if we export this, it's going to be exported as a video, and we don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is to screenshot this. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is to remove this CapCut watermark. I'll just go up here and click on CapCut. Okay, and then you go back. So you see that the watermark has been removed, so we can actually still zoom in our text a little bit. So as I said, it depends on how you want to use this. So that's it, but we need to make our background to blur a little bit. So click on the background, click on effects, click on video effects, and then I already have the blur effects as my favorite. So click on blur effects and click on add. So you can be able to blur the background to your preference. Don't allow it to be too blurry, it don't really catch. All right, so just make it blur a little bit so that your element on your background can pop a little bit. Okay, so this is just a sample of how you can use the CapCut mobile app to edit your video thumbnail. So in order to save this, what you need to do is just to screenshot this, right? So it depends on whatever device you are using, know how to do a screenshot. All right, so this device I'm using, I'll just need to scroll down and click on screenshots. As you can see, it has been screenshotted. I'll click, and then I can be able to edit it by just cropping out the unnecessary parts and leaving the necessary parts, like leaving the thumbnail. So I'll mark this, and then that is all. So this is how you can create a thumbnail by using your mobile app on CapCut. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.